Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Dixie Plates recently released 4 new stamping plates and I purchased all 4 of them along with another one from the UK and EU stockist Nail Stamping Queen UK. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Dixie Plate Stamping Plate Christmas 2019, and as always you can find information on where I purchased from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on, and please like this video. These things really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 6 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. For the first swatch I'll be using a light green nail tip along with a teal green stamping polish. Now because Dixie Plates images are really big, I do like to apply plenty of polish in my usual 2 lines. I personally love the size of them, and this design is going to make a great festive nail. For the next swatch I'll be using a shimmery nude coloured nail tip along with a dark brown stamping polish. I personally love reindeer images and I use them a lot for winter and festive manis, and this image with the reindeer and the snowflakes looks amazing. This will definitely be in a mani for me this festive season time. For the next swatch I'll be using a light blue coloured nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. With these stockings you could very easily add some colour to them to make them stand out. You could also pick just one stocking and remove the rest to make the mani with full images and little images. I've done this before with Dixie Plates and it works great. For the next swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with a metallic blue stamping polish. With these next 3 swatches I will be removing any excess before I stamp down. This little guy is so cute. Again, you could very easily add some colour to him. I think he would look amazing with snowflake images as well. I want to say he's a penguin, but I'm really not sure. For the next swatch I'll be using a dark green coloured nail tip along with a white stamping polish. Now if you followed me for a while you'll know that I don't really get on well with white stamping polishes. I'm not sure why, but this tree image is a really nice image and you'll see a better swatch of it in the photo swatches, which strangely is a white stamping polish I've used and it's perfect. But this is a gorgeous tree image. For the next swatch I'll be using a shimmery burgundy coloured nail tip along with a molten silver stamping polish. All of these bows on the bottom are great to have in anyone's collection. You could add in some colour to them or even crystals in the middle of the bows for some added bling, but a gorgeous bow, and these would look great on any festive or event nails. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created from Dixie Plate Stamping Plate Christmas 2019. Dixie Plate Stamping Plate Christmas 2019 is another brilliant seasonal plate. There is 10 large images, however 2 of them make up a layering image, which is the holly and the berries. Then there is lots of smaller designs. Again, some can be layered like the reindeer face, but then there is a good mix of images from the trees and bows, then the cute little animals and the words. Next to the 2 large designs in the middle, there is what I call wreath designs, and what I've done with my swatches is sort of add the wreaths and the little images like the bows and the acorns. These images are so unique, I don't think I've ever seen them before. I personally love Dixie Plates for their seasonal stamping plates. They are just brilliant. In the description box below you'll find a link to Christmas 2017 and Christmas 2018 swatch review videos that I have done. All 3 of these Dixie Plates will work so well together. It's not something that I've looked at yet, but I just know they will work. With the large layering holly and berries, if you're not confident in layering large images, you could just add the berries by hand with a red stamping polish and a dotting tool. From the layering reindeer images, I've created 4 of them. They all have the same eyes and nose, but the antlers are different on each one. And I know that I see manis that have reindeer images or bunny images every year on my social media. So it's definitely something I want to try a mani with. It's not something that I've done before. I will be bringing the other Dixie Plates stamping plates to my channel. I'll be breaking this down into a few videos, but they will be coming to my channel very soon. All of the swatches, I've used my usual stamp, which you saw in the video section, along with my favourite brand of stamping polish, and they work perfectly with the Dixie Plates stamping plates. I personally love Dixie Plates because of the size of images. When my nails are longer, it's always Dixie Plates I reach for. If the smaller images are too big for your nails, you could always shrink the images. I do have a video on that in my Dixie Plates playlist. Now with the mani, I've not gone full on Christmas mani as we're only just in November. I feel it's a little early to be doing them. So I've done a mani that can be used for any fancy event or New Year's. It would also work with a lot of different colour combos as well. I will be returning to Christmas 2019 in the month of December to see what full on Christmas manis I can create. But I absolutely love Christmas 2019. It's an amazing stamping plate. For the mani, I've used 2 different colours for the base, a mauve and a burgundy gel polish. Over the burgundy, I've added a burgundy holographic multi-cut glitter, which looks stunning. And then over the mauve, I've used the star image and I've stamped in a burgundy stamping polish. I love this mani. I would 100% recreate this as well. And as I said, it would work with a lot of different colour combinations like silvers and blues, golds and greens, blacks and silvers, golds and red. So many to choose from. This glitter featured in a recent glitter haul swatch review, and it's where the colour inspiration came from. But I love this mani. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I would be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Dixie Plate Stamping Plate Christmas 2019. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye!